And welcome back. Neighbors and activists gathered in East Flatbush to show their support for Haiti and the Haitian diaspora here in New York City. News 12's Hannah Klieger has the story.
Our national anthem echoed through the streets of Brooklyn, followed by the Haitian anthem as activists and politicians gathered to pray for the country and all the struggles Haitians are facing today.
The Haitian people, we all must be reminded, are resilient, are strong, brilliant, and united.
Those struggles include the pandemic, continued recovery from natural disasters, an overwhelming national debt, and the recent assassination of the Haitian president, along with all the instability that followed.
This is our opportunity to say to a nation that has given so much to the United States that we need to be there for you.
Why we mobilizing our rich, powerful Haitian communities, doctors and teachers and lawyers, to stop the brain drain that is occurring in Haiti year after year after year.
They say Haitian Americans have contributed so much to our country.
A country that remains to be the only first black republic and the only successful black slave revolt.
And the country's history is such a symbol of perseverance, despite so much adversity.
If you keep on marching, keep on organizing, keep on standing together, keep uniting, God will make a way out of no way, and Haiti shall rise again.
A lot of these activists are calling for the Haitian diaspora here in New York City to unify and find creative ways to help Haiti. In East Flatbush and Brooklyn, Hannah Klieger, News 12.